Hi everyone, I just want to announce that I have more camping and a number of abandoned house exploring videos on the way, but this week I have been quite busy since I went camping last weekend, and my job can be quite demanding of my time. I want to keep the momentum of my channel going with weekly videos, and for me, Wildlife Wednesday seems to make that possible. I love wildlife, so I hope my subscribers can appreciate some of the animal encounter videos I'll be putting out, along with camping and exploring content. I even have some kayaking videos on the way. Thanks for your loyal friendship, and if you have any ideas or want to collaborate, please let me know. This channel is dedicated to outdoor fun. You can help support me by subscribing if you haven't already, and please like and comment on the videos. I love reading your comments and I love to interact with you. Alright, this is Joey signing out.